Well, we're here after applying an incredible service. It's going to be spectacular. The most awesome service we have, Nano Diamond. I'm ready to see it. It's a very good service, very strong finish. It's a great car. Let's do it, guys, come on. Let's bring it up. We have enjoyed our shopping and we are ready to get our car. Oh great, we want to see the car already and we have been promised that it's going to be shiny. I don't know, let's see that. Yes, I'm curious. Wait, what is that? What is that? Is that our car? Is that really our car? Yes, it is our car. Wow, I've never seen something like this before. This is incredible. What on earth? This is awesome. This is incredible. I've never imagined something like this. We have applied nanomolecules to the paint of the car.